guys, I'm back. Andrew, I guess, is back. And today, I have something to show you. It's the Aqueon Quiet Flow 10E internal power filter. So let's unbox it and set it up. So on the box, it says it efficiently cleans water. Oh my god. Efficiently cleans and filters water. Patented quiet flow filtration technology. Easy to install using included suction cups or hanging clips. And includes carbon cartridge and coarse media sponge for additional biological filtration. Oh my god. And it says for 10 gallons, and it says includes a small filter cartridge. So here we have this thing is the coarse media sponge, which removes large debris and provides biological filtration. And then this thing, dentist floss, removes the smaller particles, and inside there's activated carbon, which removes toxins, odors, and discoloration. And this is the biomedia holster, which removes additional toxins while adding more biological filtration. It also reduces splashing and makes the water return exceptionally quiet. And then here just has a few more information, then just more information. So let's open it up. So here we have the instruction manual. We also have the filter lid. We have the filter cartridge. We have the bio sponge holder, the bio sponge, the grid thing, and then we have the actual filter. Oops. My god, I'm so clumsy today. And last but not least, we have suction cups and hooks. So for assembly, for now we'll need this grid thing, the sponge holder, and the filter cartridge. I want to take the cartridge and then rinse it in cold water for a few seconds. I'm back, and now it's all wet, and since it is wet, I put it on a little washcloth thing. So let's slide this out of the way for now. And now you'll want to take the sponge thing and the sponge holder. Oh my god, I'm so clumsy today. And then slide the sponge through here. And then make sure it's around like all the clips so it stays in place. Okay, so now we need this, and this. Off the cartridge more for now, and now what you want to do is on the back of this, you see like those, like, or just like goes like in and then out. This piece goes like in, like these little like things that stick out of the side go in there. Yeah, well, that's what it shows. Yeah, and then it just slides in. Shit isn't stable, but oh, I see. They slide in like using these clip things. Yeah. There. So now you just want to take the cartridge and then just slide it in, but make sure where it says front, that's actually in the front. For this section, I'm going to need the actual filter housing, the suction cups and hooks, and the lid. So you'll first just want to untie, twist tie, whatever, the cord. Okay, now it's normal cord length. So now we're going to flip this over and open up the bag. As you'll see, it already has 2 suction cups at the bottom, which are supposed to be there. And then you decide if you are going to use the suction cups or the hooks. The hooks are more secure, but it doesn't really matter, I guess, what you secure, but I'm going to use the hooks. So then what you want to do is take it. You can use either hole, but the top hole will have it lowered down into the tank more. So I'm going to use that one. I'm going to just put them in. Why is this one so firm? Oh yeah, because the cord's back. Yeah, so this side will be more firm because the cord is in the back, as opposed to this side, which there isn't a cord. Okay, so now here's my fish tank. You don't need to remove the fish for this. You just take the filter and you can just set it down. So now you just want to push it up against the back of the aquarium so you can get the suction cups to suction to the back. So now you take your filter cartridge setup and then you just slide it in. And now you take your lid and then place it on until it clicks. Alright, so here it is. You can see the water's going through just so. Here it is. You can see everything being filtered through, and it's definitely working because when you take it out, the water stream is much more than when you put it back in. And then it's extremely quiet, as you may or may not be able to tell. The flow is good for my fish. And yeah, so far I'm satisfied. Bye.